Alright, in the Math 1 book, page 109, numbers 27 through 35. Tell whether the function has a minimum value or a maximum value, then find the minimum or maximum value. Well, the way you tell whether something has a minimum or a maximum value is you just decide if it opens up or down. Number 27, clearly it opens up because A is positive. So this one opens up, or upward I've been writing. If it opens up, then that implies that you have a minimum value. And then it says you have to find out, it says then find the minimum or maximum value. The minimum or maximum value is simply the y value at the vertex. So all these instructions are asking you to do is to find the vertex and tell me what the y value is. So same steps as we've done before. We're going to do x equals negative b over 2a. There's no b value. The b value is 0 over 2 times 9. That gives you 0. X is 0 is your axis of symmetry. And your vertex is, of course, 0, comma. And what you do is you substitute a 0 in for x. 9 times 0 squared minus 36. 0, negative 36. What is your minimum value? Minimum value is negative 36. Min is negative 36. I'm going to do a little happy cloud here. Alright? So this is how you do the questions 27 through 35. Go ahead and approach these problems before you even see me do it. And what this is going to do is it's going to make you less dependent on the videos or less dependent on your teacher. I think that you can learn math. You can do this without me. So here we have a negative a value. That means it opens down. If a parabola opens down, I'm going to draw a little picture here. If a parabola opens down, well, that means it has a maximum y value somewhere. Okay? So that implies we have a max. Axis of symmetry is negative b over 2a. So negative 8 over 2 times negative 2. There are two negatives in this number, so that gives me a positive 8 over 4. 8 over 4 is 2. X equals 2 is your axis of symmetry. And then your vertex. Got to find your vertex by substituting in that x value. Y equals negative 2 times 2 squared plus 8 times 2 minus 15. Careful here. Don't say that that's 4 squared. It's not 4 squared. Sorry, dropped my highlighter. Here. 2 squared is 4. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8 plus 16 minus 15. Negative 8 plus 16 is positive 8. 8 minus 15. You might have trouble doing that, I don't know. But here's another way. 16 minus 15 is 1. Negative 8 plus 1. Negative 7. Okay? So the vertex is 2 comma negative 7. Really, I don't need the vertex, but, well, I need the maximum value. So a maximum value at negative 7. Max is, not at negative 7, max is negative 7. I'm going to do a little cloud around that to let everybody know that that's my answer. Okay? And finally, we come upon number 33. I don't think I have any other ones for you. That's right. This is the last one. Number 33 says to find the minimum or maximum. You got to make sure that is it a minimum or max, and then you got to tell me what the minimum or max is. You can probably do this problem without me, so please give it a try before I do it. Anyways, this one opens up. If it opens up, then that means that we have a minimum. Okay. Axis of symmetry is found by using negative b over 2a, negative 3 over 2 times 1/3. Okay. There are two negatives in this one number, so that's a positive 3 over 2 times 1/3 gives me 2/3. When you divide fractions, remember that's just the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So multiply by 3 over 2. 3 times 3 over 2 is 9 over 2. Please don't write 4.5. Write 9 over 2 because you're going to see that squaring 9 over 2 is a lot easier than squaring 4.5. So anyways, axis of symmetry, x equals 9 over 2. And now you say y equals 1/3 times 9 over 2 squared minus 3 times 9 over 2 plus 8. Okay. Remember, you're going to have to square this before multiplying. A lot of people think that's parentheses there. That's not parentheses, that's multiplying. The first thing that you have to do is square that number. So 1/3 times 81 over 4 minus, I'm going to go ahead and start multiplying. Well, I'll just multiply all in one step as to not confuse anyone. I did exponents and now I'm going to multiply. 1/3 times 81 over 4. I see that this is going to be 81 over 12. If I want to reduce it later, I can. 81 over 12 minus 27 over 2. See how quickly I'm doing that? That 3 is like a big 3. It's over 1. So 3 over 1, so 3 times 9. And then plus 8. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to refer to the calculator. I'll show you how to type it in again. Remember, you want to type in 81 over 12 the way you see it. 81 and then this division sign here. The n over d. 81 over 12 minus 27 over 2 plus 8. Enter. 5/4. Okay. Of course, you could have done that without a calculator. In high school, I say go ahead and use it. Don't use it for everything, but use it for stuff that seems redundant or stuff that seems a little bit. It's not too challenging for you. It's just quicker to use the calculator, so just use it. So 9/2 and 5/4. So this implies that we have a minimum at 5/4, or the minimum is 5/4. Minimum is 5/4. So at 1.2, that's the lowest value for this function. All right, enjoy. Have a good one.